Hey everyone, it's Amber from the Sensible Mama. It's 5 Ways Wednesday, and today I'm showing you 5 ways to pack the Petunia Pickle Bottom Sling Bag. I've done an overview of this bag a few weeks ago on my channel. I'll link it down below. Today we're going to pack this up 5 different ways, and down in the description I will list out each of the 5 ways along with their timestamps in case you want to kind of jump around in the video. I absolutely love this bag because it is a sling style bag, which means you can wear it over the shoulder. It can go in either direction, so you can put it either across your left or across your right shoulder. And it's just a really fun little bag, whether you're going skating, taking the dog for a walk, taking your kids out for a short, quick trip. It's just a really, really great bag. So today we're going to go over 5 ways to pack it up. We have lots of different prints in this bag available right now at thesensiblemama.com. Plus, almost everything that I'm going to show you in this video will be linked in the description box below of things that we have available at thesensiblemama.com. If you place an order that is $50 or more, you get free shipping. So it's a great opportunity to grab a bag, plus some of the little things that you see inside of the bag throughout this video and not have to pay shipping on it, which is always great. So make sure you check the description box below for all the shopping links. And before we get into the video, here's a quick word from our sponsor, which is my business, thesensiblemama.com. The Sensible Mama is an online baby boutique for babies, toddlers, big kids, and moms. Our warehouse is located in Atlanta, Georgia, and we are mama-owned and mama-operated. Our website, thesensiblemama.com, is a place where you can find all of the best-known names in the industry researched by us. We are also the home of Limea brand, which is a high-end line of diaper bags, sunglasses, and accessories designed by me with busy moms on the go in mind. While you're there, make sure you sign up for our Sensible Reward program or apply for the affiliate program to start earning money either through cash back in the store or directly deposited to your bank account. Lastly, make sure you're following The Sensible Mama on Instagram to be ahead of the game for all store news and product launches. And with that said, let's get right back into today's content. Okay, so the first way this is packed is as a little mini diaper bag. Please keep in mind that this is obviously for minimal packing days where you don't need a whole bunch of stuff, but you just need the essentials. So I've packed up this front zipper pocket as a little mommy pocket. And here I have my keys, my AirPods, and a Limea brand Grace coin purse, packed up as my wallet with my cards, cash, and ID inside of it. Lastly, I just have a Go Silly reusable straw in here for myself in case I need it. And this is something that I really love about this bag, is it opens wide open. I can basically lay this all the way out, which is super cool. First of all, I've got a little lovey sitting in here with a passy clip and a passy. These are by Acre. We carry these in the store in a few different colors. Of course, if you're gonna do this, you're probably going to want to have some passy wipes in your bag. I no longer have any of those because my kids don't use passies anymore, but since those are so small, they would fit in here as well. But I've just got a little kit for baby, like a little lovey with a passy clip and a passy. Next, check out this lining. Isn't that so cute? Next, I have a wet bag by Planetwise, a bottle, 2 diapers, and an Itsy Ritzy wipes case with wipes. Here's a peek into the inside of that bag. And then back here in the back is where I like to keep my cell phone. This next way is how I like to pack for Abby. She's my 3-year-old, and sometimes she likes to carry a little bag for herself with little games and art and things. She's very independent for 3 years old, and she just insists on having her own bag. This is a little big on her, but not by much, and she is willing to carry it. So I just set it up as a little shoulder bag and off we go. Sitting right here in the front, I have something that I showed you in my Monday video this week. This is the small piece from the nylon trifecta, and what I have in here is all of the bits and bobs from 2 really popular kitted kits in the store, the Van Gogh On The Go kit and the Rainbow On The Go kit. These are both art focused, so they're all about doing art. I do have a little Simple Dimple in here as well. Sometimes she likes to click on that while she thinks about what she wants to draw. There is a click pen in here, a little paint set with a paintbrush. All you need is water. A little mini crayon set. How cute is that? A tiny sketchbook, and these little sheets of paper. Some of them are solid white for drawing with the click pen, as you see here, and the rest are these chalk papers. And as they use the little tool that looks like a toothpick right here, they peel away the chalkboard layer and it reveals a rainbow underneath, which is really cool. Abby loves anything related to art, so for her, this little setup is just so great, and she loves these little tiny things that feel like they're her size. It's super cute to watch her play with this. And that was all that I had in this front pocket. I've observed that, especially when it comes to packing for toddlers, there's usually, like, I could have fit a lot more stuff in there, but I think that sometimes it's about not overstimulating your kids. And so I just want to make sure that she has just enough things to keep her busy without making her feel overwhelmed. So here is the inside of this little bag. She has got some unmistakable colored pencils by Uli. I love these because they have an eraser on them so she can get rid of any oopsies. This is just a standard little notebook by Trade Paper Company. I have her Amazon Fire tablet in here. And then one of these chalkboard books from Jack Bird. Abby is obsessed with pink and purple, so she just absolutely loves this. You've seen these before on my channel. These are just chalkboard little doodle books. These are wipeable. You can wipe them down with like a wet wipe or with just a wet paper towel or cloth. And in here we have a set of butter sticks. These are dust-free chalk crayons. They don't create dust, which is just amazing. And she can, it's kind of like a nice little all-in-one set where she has everything she needs right here. And that is it for her little kit. This one is packed as a skate bag. I've done a packing video where I show this as a skate bag before, but just in case you're just now finding my channel and you haven't seen that before, I'm doing this again, but it is updated. I did it a little bit differently, and there's a really cool thing in here that I need to show you that I just started doing. So I'm using this front flap here. This is I love the size of this front pocket on the sling bag. And I've mentioned before that I love this bag for skating because it stays on my back really nicely. It stays out of my way while I'm skating. I can still move my arms. And it's not as cumbersome as a backpack, which I really appreciate. It's small, so it's still nice and lightweight, and I can just bring the essentials with me. So one thing that I have in here is a skate tool. Never go skating without one of these. I have learned from experience. I have a Z-bar in here just to kind of give me a little bit of extra nutrients if I start feeling lightheaded while I'm skating. A bearings puller, and you will see why I have this in a moment. I also like to keep a spare set of laces. I have had one of my laces come untied and then kind of disintegrate, so that traumatized me, so now I like to keep a fresh pair with me just in case. As you can see here, I've had some traumatic things happen to me while out trail skating, so now I'm like a Girl Scout of skating. I always come prepared, so I also like to have two separate toe stops in here. This is because back when I first started skating and I realized this was a rookie mistake, I had put some toe guards on my skate, which meant I had to remove the toe stop. And I just hadn't bolted my toe stop on tightly enough, and I think I'd even lost the little washer that was supposed to go on there. And my toe stop came off while I was skating, and I was using the toe stop when it did, and it went rolling. I fell and I couldn't find the toe stop, and it made getting back to my car a little bit of a problem. So I like to keep these with me just in case I do that again. And that is everything that I had here in this front pocket. In here, this is what I think is super cool. As you can see, I had all the things that I really tend to be grabbing for in the front pocket to get to it quickly. The only things that I have in the main compartment are this big bag, which I'm about to show you, plus my toe guards. I do like to bring these with me in case I'm out skating and I come across, like, I don't know, I decide that I want to be a little bit harder on my skates. I want to try doing some tricks or something, and I want to protect the ends of my skates. I will keep those and just kind of pop them on really quickly. I don't usually grab for them, but it's just something nice to have. Now look, this is my favorite. This is my favorite! So you guys know we carry Petunia Pickle Bottom here at the Sensible Mama. This is a piece that is from the Petunia Pickle Bottom Mix-It Kit. If you don't know, if you haven't seen my videos before, I'll put a video about the Mix-It Kit in the description box. The Mix-It Kit is like a stroller caddy slash countertop organizer slash inside of your diaper bag organizer. It's shaped like a stroller caddy, but it's got all of these little compartments in it, and each compartment has its own differently shaped and sized container that goes inside of it. I happened to discover that this piece from the Mix-It Kit is the perfect size for carrying a full set of wheels. These wheels are quite filthy, but I do want to show you that these are 65mm 78A wheels. These are huge, huge gummy outdoor wheels, and they all fit in here. I like having a spare set of wheels with me, especially while I'm out trail skating. Often I will have like a crossover wheel on my skates. Even when I'm doing trail skating, I just tend to like the way that those feel a little bit better than these gummy wheels as I've gotten better at skating. But sometimes if I find really choppy pavement or I'm just not feeling as stable on my skates that day, I like to switch out to these. This is why I have my bearings puller in here, because as of right now, I have wheels in here that actually already have the bearings in them, but sometimes I won't, depending on what wheels I've grabbed. So I have this in case I need to switch out my bearings from the wheels that are on my skates back to these wheels. But I just really love this setup because I've had wheels come off while I've been skating. But because of that, I just think it's always good if you're gonna be out trail skating to have a different pair of wheels with you. And that is everything that I had in here for roller skating. All right, way number 4 is parked. Way number 4 is packed as a dog walking bag. And I actually really love how this is set up. First of all, the Petunia Pickle Bottom Sling Bag has got this really cool D-ring over here on the side. I like to use it to attach my keys to. But what I've done over here is I've placed this little treat pouch that we carry in the store. It's by Rex and Bandon. And it's kind of designed to clip onto your belt loop, but I don't tend to like to have it there. Not really sure why. I just don't like it slapping against my hip while I'm walking, but I do like to attach it to my sling bag when I use it for dog walking. This is just a really simple little pouch. It's got a clip up here so you can clip it to the D-ring. And inside, I've just got treats for my doggy. These are the pumpkin treats from Arc Barks. This is a brand that I love carrying at the store. It's just such a feel-good brand with a great story. They're out of Greensboro. And this company has a commitment to hiring adult employees with special needs. So you can see like a little note back here on the back of the box from the employees who make the treats. It's just such a feel-good product and brand to support. So I've got the pumpkin flavor here. It's starting to be fall, so Freya has to enjoy that too. I've just got those stuck in there. Here in the front zipper pocket, I have a replay bowl. This is the kid-size bowl. It seems to be enough for Freya while we're out. And the reason why I have that is because in here, in the main part of the bag, I have got a water bottle. This is by Big Bottle Company. We have a couple of these left in stock. This is insulated, it's spill proof. It's just a great thing to bring along with me so that I can drink from it and Freya can drink from it as well. And it fits inside of the sling bag, which is great. Also in here, I have got, I'm realizing like how much I prepare for bad things to happen to me. I've had a pretty happy life. I don't know why I'm constantly preparing for bad things to happen, but here I have a backup collar and a backup leash. I've just had it happen before where a collar has snapped or a leash has snapped and I haven't known what to do to get my dog back home. Or I've come across a stray dog that needed help and I wanted to collect that dog and take it back home. It's just I've found that it's been nice to have a backup of both of those things just in case. Next, I have the pet first aid kit. This is also something we carry at the store. I've shown this in a few of my videos, so I won't go too much into it. But it's just got things that you need to take care of your dog's boo-boos on the go. It's got a wound saline wash, some little scissors, bandages, tape, gauze, all the things that you would need to do some quick fixer-upper work on your pup if they hurt their paw or something while you're out. You hope you never need it, but it's good to have when you do. And lastly, I just have a little frisbee in there by Soda Pup. This is also something we carry in the store. Just a little thing to go play with her with if we happen to find a fenced-in space where we can go be leashless and have some fun. All right, this last one is packed as a purse. I love this print to be used as a purse because it's just very classy looking. You have like some brushed bronze hardware. It's just, I don't know, to me, it's a great purse sling bag. Here in the front pocket, I have a few quick grab items. I feel like I say that every time I talk about a front pocket. I have my AirPods in here. You guys, I love these things. I should have actually included these in the skate bag portion too, because these are great for skating. These are little heel blister Band-Aids. They're for like if your shoes or your skates rub a blister on the back of your heel or anywhere on your foot, you can put this on here and it's like got a gel kind of cushion to it to actually help your foot stay comfortable. And when I'm out wearing nice shoes, a lot of times I'm wearing my teaks and sometimes I will start to get a little bit of heel rub with those, so it's nice to have this. Have a Z-bar in here and a little mini hairbrush. In the main portion of the bag, it looks like this. Oh, ah! That makes me so happy. What is so satisfying about the way that that looks? Oh my gosh. Okay, so the first thing that I have is a Limea brand coin purse in the color On Point. We just restocked these, so we do still have them in stock now. It has been a minute. Here I just have little everyday carry items. I have a pair of light up tweezers. We sell these in a bunch of different colors at the store. I have scissors and nail clippers that came out of a welly kit, and some lip gloss. Next, I have my Limea brand Gabby wallet in the color On Point as well. And then in here, I'm a pretty light packer when it comes to purses. So the last thing that I have in here is the Limea brand Trifecta medium piece. So this is the piece that has the plastic front so that you can see through it. And this has just got masks inside for my whole family. Plus, I like to bring with me these Go Silly straws because often I find myself getting a coffee or a Coke or something while I'm out, or a bottle of water, and I want to drink from it with my mask on, and so I can just slip that straw into my mouth through the mask. So that's what I like to keep in there as well. And it all fits so nicely inside of the sling bag. All right, that is it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful and it gave you some creative ideas for how to use the Petunia Pickle Bottom sling bag. Again, if you want to check this bag out, we've got lots of different prints as you've just seen at thesensiblemama.com, so check out the shopping links down below. Love ya, mean it, always, mwah, and I'll see you in the next one.